Welcome to day 4 of our English spoken course. By now you've built the basics. Today we level up. This session is all about speaking with more confidence, better clarity and natural flow. So relax, focus, and let your English sound smarter and stronger than ever. Here's your day 4 lecture plan for the English spoken course, continuing smoothly from day 3's focus on daily routine and present simple tense. Day 4, talking about your family and using has have. Lecture objectives. By the end of this class, students will describe their family members confidently, use has and have correctly, ask and answer questions about family, practice short English conversations, warm up 5 minutes. Teacher greets the class. Good morning, everyone. Did you do your homework? Who wants to share their daily routine? Encourage 2-3 students to share what they wrote for homework. Vocabulary, family members, 10 minutes. Teach with simple pictures or gestures. Father, mother, brother, sister, grandfather, grandmother, uncle, aunt, cousin, parents. Speaking practice. Teacher, who is your mother? Student, my mother is a teacher. Grammar focus. Has/have 15 minutes. Ruler, I/you/we they right arrow have. He/she/it has. Examples. I have one brother. She has 2 sisters. They have a big family. He has a pet dog. Practice drill. Teacher says, I right arrow. Students say sentence, I have a pen. Teacher says, she right arrow. Students say, she has a pen. Question forms with has/have 10 minutes. How to ask. Do you have a brother? Does she have a sister? Answers. Yes, I do. No, I don't. Yes, she does. No, she doesn't. Role play. Student A, do you have a big family? Student B, yes, I do. I have 3 brothers. Short dialogue practice, 10 minutes. Example dialogue. A, how many members are there in your family? B, there are 5 members. A, do you have any brothers or sisters? B, yes, I have 1 brother and 1 sister. A, what does your father do? B, he is a teacher. Students practice in pairs. Pronunciation practice, 5 minutes. Focus words. Family, family. Sister, sister. Brother, brother. Parents, parents. Repeat slowly and clearly. Speaking task, 10 minutes. Students prepare 4-6 sentences about their family. Example, my family is small. I have 1 brother and 1 sister. My father is a doctor. My mother has a kind heart. We love each other very much. Encourage confidence, not perfection. Homework. Write 6 sentences about your family using has/have. Speak them aloud for 3 minutes daily. Learn 10 family words. Motivational closing. Family is our first world. Talk about them proudly in English. Practice every day. Your English will grow stronger. That's all for day 4. Practice daily. Speak confidently. And I'll see you in day 5. Thank you. To get the worksheet PDF, please subscribe to the channel and download it now from the link given in the video description.